You have in front these bags with two different types of coffee, low quality and high quality. Please smell them for the little jars and pick your favorite and also notice the differences. Let's talk about low quality first. Low quality looks so dark. Turns out that the companies use the low quality coffee beans that are vinegar and rotten, so they have to roast it in excess, to burn it, to cover, to hide those bad flavors. In cup, it's gonna be so bitter. That's why you see like people adding tons of sugar because it's burnt coffee. For your health, it's gonna be bad for your stomach. So we recommend stop drinking low quality coffee. Why? You have the possibility of drinking the best quality that comes from Colombian. We have three different here. They use the high quality coffee beans. First, we have wash process. That tastes more like chocolate. If you smell them and you compare them with the low quality, you're gonna see this is so delicious, you're gonna love it. Second, we have honey process and tastes like red fruits. Finally, we have natural process that is our most premium coffee because of its long fermentation, tastes like rum. So please pick which is your favorite between the three different coffees and take it with you. Coffee is a very complex fruit. Why? Because we can't eat it like that. It has to be processed, dried, and roasted. So we're gonna open the coffee fruit to understand the parts. So what we have here is the peel, the red thing. We have two beans in the most of the cases, and those beans are covered with honey. So it's a slimy texture. On the wash process, the farmers wash the honey and the dried beans is gonna look like this, but it has another layer. This beige layer is called parchment or pergamino in Spanish. And here we're gonna find finally the coffee bean ready to be roasted. So at the farms, what the farmers do is to select, to put apart the low quality beans from the high quality beans. Low quality beans are made with the beans that are vinegar, that are rotten, that were eaten by insects, etc. What can I expect from this? Bad aromas, bad flavors, right? So the companies that use the low quality beans, they roast it in excess. They burn the coffee to cover, to hide the bad flavors, right? So people can drink it. That's gonna be super bad for your health because it's gonna be more coal or charcoal than coffee. Smells are related to smoke, to plastic, etc. And also for your health, it's gonna be bad for your stomach, right? So bad for your health and bad aromas, bad flavors. On the contrary, we have the high quality coffee that are made with the high quality beans. Looks so different, of course, and you can expect great aromas, great flavors. Coffee could smell and tastes like flowers, spices, like fruits, etc. And of course, we roast it, but we don't burn it. That's a huge difference, and you're gonna enjoy it. A coffee that smells and tastes great is a nice experience, right? And for your health is great, for your brain, and it's gonna prevent heart attacks. So please drink this coffee, a specialty coffee. Stop drinking low quality, bad aromas, bad flavors, bad for your health. So this is the coffee that we are offering you on this stand. Please smell the three different processes we have and enjoy them. So this is wash process. Is already dried, of course. And what is called a wash? Because the farmers take out the red peel and they wash the slimy texture, the honey. So wash is the most popular coffee in the world that is served in the most of the coffee bars. Wash is very delicious. It's more general. Honey and natural are more premium because the processes are longer and more complex. But this is a great coffee if it's made with the high quality coffee beans. Remember, the low quality, the high quality makes a huge difference. In this case, our coffee tastes and smells a lot of chocolate and also is very aromatic. So please smell it and enjoy it. So here our farmers are drying the honey coffee process. That means they take out the red fruit, but they don't wash the honey. So all that honey gets into the beans and makes this coffee fruity. In this case, our coffee smells and tastes like red fruit. So it's a super sweet, delicious, delicate aromas and flavors. Honey, after natural, I would say my second favorite coffee between the three processes. Honey is more for people that like the sweetness, that like the fruits, delicate aromas and flavors. So here is where our farmers dry the coffee, in this case the natural process. As you see, they look like little rocks, and it's because the farmers dry the full fruit. I mean, they don't take anything out from the fruit, and it's gonna look like this. But before drying, they have to do fermentation. It takes more than 100 hours to get a good profile, right? Then to dry it, it takes a month if it's very sunny, or even more than 2 months if it rains a lot. So this is our most premium coffee. Why? Because the process is longer than the other ones, and also because it takes a lot of knowledge and a lot of care, right? This coffee smells and tastes like rum. That makes it super special. So we invited you to smell it from the jar and also to try it with your friends, with your families, because let me tell you, it's a great coffee, one of the best from Colombia that you can try.